In this video, how to fix mouse double click on a single click. Alright, so first you need to go to settings and click the Bluetooth and device settings. Scroll down and you can see the mouse settings is there. You need to click the mouse settings. Once you click this, you can scroll down and you can see the additional mouse setting is there. Click it and here you can come and the speed should be, you can reduce the speed, and pointer option is there. In this enhanced pointer precision is there. It should be in turn off mode, and click apply and click OK, because sometimes the speed it will causes the issues, so that's why I will reduce the speed in a certain amount. And after that you need to go to a device manager, and in this you need to go for a mouse and other pointing device, and first you need to disable the device. Once disabled, after you need to wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and after that you need to enable the device. And after enabling, you can go with update driver. The best driver for your device is already updated, so close it. It comes under Windows Update. So after that you need to go to drive, and you have seen the three dot icon in the top side. I have click the three dot icon, and after that you go with optional settings, the last one, optional settings. And in this you can see the double click to point an item is there. It should be changed to single click to open an item is there. Enable the single click, and make sure other option are same. This all the things will be in same, but only need to change the single click to open an item. And after that apply and click OK. After that you need to one time you need to restart your PC to make the effectiveness, and the problem is fixed. Thank you.